Not the best view, but Phoenix is checking out the 2 new nesting boxes that I have under the coop. In order for me to get a good shot, I'd have to open the door and disrupt everything, but can't tell if you can really see it, but the green one is just a green tub that's on its side, and I've created a border so that the eggs hopefully don't fall out. And this one over here on the right is just a dog carrier, and it also has a 2x4 in the front to hopefully keep the egg in. Because yesterday someone laid an egg, pretty sure it was her, and the egg itself was out here in the ground. So she did it, but then someone removed the egg. We're going to check and see if anyone laid an egg in the nesting boxes on the ground. How am I going to check without moving all this stuff? Well, I know. We'll look in here first. I heard, 2 different instances where someone... Ugh. All right. Oh, there's somebody in here. Who is that? Hello, Miss Cloud. You need to let other people... You need to let other chickens lay eggs. Oh, there's Phoenix in there. And some stuff's moved around in the other one. Yeah, where's the fake egg? You gonna go in there? Yeah. Look at her. She's doing that because Miss Cloud's looking at her. This is Trinity, and Trinity really, really wants in there. She's not into this laying an egg down here. Phoenix is okay with it, and so is Spitfire. Look at her puff up. I gotta look tough. Okay, Miss Cloud, go lay your stupid egg. Or come out and let someone else lay an egg. What is all that about? Chuck, Chuck. See, she's going to get mad at Trinity because Trinity wants to be in here. You are a real bitch. Yeah, you are. It's like this entire coop is mine. Good luck. Yeah, she's still in there. She's like, I need to lay an egg. I understand you do. This is like this. I'm assuming this is the same ordeal every morning. I'm not out here every morning. Okay, I'm inside the coop. It's a real tight fit now because we have this, so I can't scoot over there anymore. I'm like, this is my spot. This is it. Yeah, let's see. Oh, there's someone's egg. Where's the fake egg over there? Let me see if I can squeeze in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, there it is. Okay. And there is no other egg in there yet. And there's this one. Now, you see, there's not a lot of... I probably need some more straw in here. This is not super hard, so it shouldn't break. Hi. Oh, yeah, I'm crowded. I'm trying to get out. Oh my goodness. No. Okay. Hey, PK. Why don't you go over here? Come here. Oh. Okay. Phoenix, why are you up there? You already laid an egg. Oh, maybe Trinity's. No, they're all up there. Except they were all in there. Now, this is Spitfire. She probably chased Miss Cloud out because she is above Miss Cloud. And she probably told Miss Cloud, get your butt out of here or lay your damn egg. Okay, now Trinity can go in one of those. If she does it now, don't wait. Just go in. Seriously. Oh, dork. Hey, Miss Cloud, look over here. Come here, chirp, chirp. Come on, look in there. Look. Can you go look? Go look in there. Look, look, look. Yeah, there are 2 eggs in there now. Well, sort of. Oh, Trinity. That's Trinity upstairs, not this. This is PK. Okay, now it's going to get crowded again. Yeah, there are only 2 spots right now. I got to let that other one clear out, clean up. Ugh. All right, so Phoenix here has done her job. Good job doing your job. Hey. Hey, what's happening? Dirty butt? Dirty butt? What's going on? What's going on? Anything? You guys are crazy. All right, well, this is sort of working. If I can get someone other than Miss Cloud and Spitfire, that'd be great. It's just, what happens is this coop up here gets blazing hot. Even though we have a sunshade over it, we have a sunshade in front of it, I put an umbrella over the condos, it still gets upwards to 80, 85 degrees. And then they get in very stress moments, de-stress, whatever you want to call it, distress. And that affects their egg laying and their health. So, hence, these are down here. It is July 4th. 4th of July. And the fireworks are starting. I've been told by other local chicken owners that their chickens don't seem to mind. They just hunker down and do what they always do, sit on their perches and sleep. They're probably going to be startled once in a while, but yeah. Where are you running off to? She must have her favorite place to go. Come on, guys. The good stuff's over here. Yep, you can hear the fireworks starting. Not anywhere near dark enough for that, but what do I know? Yeah, you see the fireworks in the dark. Ooh, look at that. There you go. It's not a worm. Hey, be careful. Oh, wow. Great filming job, JiRa. I'm like filming her foot. Hey, what do you think of that? That's some great filming. Ooh. Yeah, you heard that? They're not excited about that. They're like, what the heck, man? Yeah, we had a few barbecues today, and I'm like, I probably should get home before it's dark. I don't have to let the chickens out, but I'd like to. Oh, yeah, see, number 3 picked on number 4, and number 4 is picking on number 1. I'm number 1. Why are you doing that, sweetie? Why are you doing that? Huh? Why are you doing that? Yeah? Hi. You want a hug? You want a hug? Is that what you want, a hug? No? All right, so these other chicken owners, I don't know what chickens they have, but mine are not happy about the noise. And they were freaking out. I got them into the kennel, and then they immediately decided they were going to go get up on their perches. They were so freaked out. Put these boards here so they don't, nothing distracts them out here in the yard. And it also makes them stay on their perch. So, yeah, there's a lot of fireworks going on, which is cool. But the chickens are like, We don't like it. I never really understood why people send up fireworks when it's this light out. I mean, it looks so much better when it's dark. Whoop. Chickens don't like that. I think that's just like right up the street.